and I welcome all of you to my channel Learning with for us. So with the series that we were continuing about the JavaScript, now we are moving on to the next topic that's gonna be so crucial, that are regular expressions in JavaScript. Now regular expressions in every language plays very important role for real world applications. For example, if you're having a registration form, in order to validate that registration form, you have to have an idea of regular expression. Without regular expression, it would be impossible to create a form because you have to validate that form. So that is the importance of regular expression is in every language that support it. Now in JavaScript, regular expression, and in every language, regular expressions is a method of pattern matching. There will be two strings. We will have one string, we will try to match it with other string. We will try to check if that string contains this one. So this process of matching the pattern is something that you define according to your convenience. Like the username should contain this number of alphabets from A to Z. It should have numbers, it should have special characters, and so you can set your own regular expressions. So before going on to the implementation of constructing our own regular expression, let us make use of some string.prototype methods that could be a very easy for you to understand in the beginning. So in short, in this video we will be talking about 4 methods of a string.prototype. 4 of them are: the first one is your startsWith method, second one is your endsWith method, third one is your includes method, and the last one is your indexOf method. And this indexOf and indexOf of array are different. So we are going to be discussing these 4 methods. Now let us understand firstly let us understand the first one, the startsWith method. Now the startsWith method can take either one argument or 2 arguments. Let us understand both the cases. When you're giving one argument in the startsWith method followed by a string variable name and dot, like if you have a string like that you have given a string, for example, a man is walking, and you have stored that string in a variable. Now you will take that variable name, you will put a dot, then you will put this method startsWith with opening and closing parenthesis. In that parenthesis, between the parentheses, you have to give a string that you want to check if that your main string that man is walking is starting with. You can check if your main string is starting with a string that you want to specify. That's all about the first argument. If you are giving one argument, it will check if specified string is if the main string is starting with the specified string. If it is so, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. And among the 4 methods that I have shown you, 3 of them are boolean, means they are going to return boolean values, either true. They are going to return boolean values either true or false. But indexOf is not something which is going to return boolean. I'll show you what it is going to return actually. So what if you give 2 arguments? The first argument will be your, again, the string that you're looking for into the main string, and comma, the second argument will be the index at which you want to start searching. In short, it is the starting index from where you want to start your search, and check if that string is starting with your specified string or not. If it is difficult for you to grasp whatever I have said, let us go on to the screen and implement that part. Now what I'll do is I'll put a const, maybe verb is equal to man is walking. Now this is what I have created now. So what I will do, I'll put the variable name dot startsWith. Now in this first argument, what I will do, I'll put man. So we're expecting true, since it will match here m, yeah, a, yes, and yes, since it is this the string that you have specified has ended, there will be no comparison of single characters. So what it is going to do, it is going to just return true. Console dot log, then save it. I come to my page, refresh, and you can see that true there. Okay, now thing to remember here, that these methods are case sensitive. If I give like capital M is different from small m, see, if I do this as small m and save it, now come here, you can see, wait, refresh, you can see false here. Okay, so these methods are case sensitive, remember that. Okay, console, wait, is gonna be like verb dot starts with, I want to search from maybe 0 1 2 3, maybe 4. I'll check is, I'll put a 4 here. So what is gonna do, 4 is the position from where your string is actually starting according to this method. So see here, 0 1 2 3, these things will be skipped and ignored, and from here it will start. So it will be like new string. It is going to be like, it is going to start, it is going to start from here, and it will say I yes, S yes. Since this string is ended, no more comparisons, they both are satisfied. Now I'm gonna return true. So let us see that. Console dot log, put it here and refresh the page, and you see that true there. Okay, I hope you understand.